welcome back to the channel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This week we're going to be taking a little break from the razor and the golf cart, and we're going to do something for Colson. His room's been decorated as baseball since he was born, which is great. He loves sports, but there's one thing missing from his room that he loves so much, and that's something automotive related. So we're going to fire up the 3D printer. I got this model loaded up. This isn't something I designed, so I will link the files in the description. And we're gonna print him a few different cars to hang on his wall. And got it loaded up in the software. I like to use Fusion. Get it loaded into the printer and we'll check back in. There, we got the file loaded up. It's warming up. Get the tripod set up and we'll time lapse it. There it is. I forgot to adjust my nozzle temperature and the flow, so it's a little stringy, but the next one we will get it dialed. I got 3 or 4 more of them I'm gonna print. That's the BMW, and I got an Audi and a couple other cars that we're gonna make for him to hang on his wall. So I'll time lapse all those. Let's pry this one off real quick. Not too shabby. I haven't fired the printer up in a long time, so I'm pretty happy with this print. But let's get the others going. Have it. Some wall art for Colson. I'm gonna try to find him a few more of these to do. Right now they're just thumbtacked up there, but we'll do a better job at that later. Turned out pretty good. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, thanks for watching.